Selamat datang ke
Sembang
Sembang. Okay guys, sekarang kita berada di Paradise Wedding Ballroom by the Sheikh Sabri at Marina Country Club at Punggol.
Okay.
Okay bang, ni kita sikit ni okay, yang ini sekarang kita yang the one yang kita sekarang ada bersama kita ialah dia punya wedding planner yang same time decorate ni tempat.
The one that does up this place lah.
Yes, betul.
Decorate this place. Yes, correct.
Okay bang.
And maybe Encik Danny.
Oh, tak payah cincin lah.
Okay, maybe you want to memperkenalkan lah diri.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to everybody. I'm Danny Hanafi, who used to be a legend wedding planner. Okay, I'm in this history for very long. So, market is totally different now. So I come back for good lah. South Station, I come back for good. Bila datang balik, situasi different sekarang dengan compare dulu.
Is that so?
Dulu wedding is on my fingertips and goodbye. But sekarang very difficult.
So difficult as in what sense?
Difficult, okay. Nombor satunya difficult untuk diri saya sendiri, saya cerita dulu. Difficultnya semua melalui komputer.
Social media
Online lah,
Semua social media, apa-apa, the good, the bad, the ugly, semua social media. Jadi kita ni legend, orang lama tak reti pasal social media. You kasih I benda yang berserak ni, I boleh siapkan dalam 1 jam. Jadi stunner. You kasih I laptop ni 1 jam tak siap. Laptop tu boleh meletup.
Ini I pun terasa juga. Ni kira I pun sama juga.
Meletup. Mana nak start ni? Gigil-gigil.
Alright.
Okay.
So that's a lot different. So nobody's perfect lah.
Yalah.
Bagus yang ini, you tak dengan ini you kurang. Kalau everybody is equal and smart, nobody want to be macam helper.
Okay. I got one question actually. With regards to you say your name is Danny
Hanafi.
Okay, you have a look at it. Do you think that he look Malay or Chinese or Eurasian? Indian definitely not lah.
He can be Chindian.
So this was so. But when the first time I look at you, this means encik ni muka macam muka Melayu.
Muka Melayu. Tak macam Melayu.
Tak macam Melayu.
Sombong
tak adalah. Mana tak kita tak pernah, we cannot judge a person by, but he's a very nice person, very soft spoken person, you know.
Boleh lah cari makan.
You kira orang bangsa apa ni, sir?
Oh, actually the truth is I'm Chinese. Chinese tapi disuratan oleh Muslim. Sebelum dilahirkan disuratan oleh yang membuat China brand.
Made in China.
Made in China. Yang menjaga ni orang Islam.
Okay. Masya Allah. But you speak very fluent Malay because
I
brought up by Malay.
I under dorongan satu bumbung dalam rumah orang Islam.
Okay.
Jadi buruh bayi Islam tu kita dah ditakdirkan jadi Islam. So buruh bayi ni kita terima. Dah suratan. Because there's ups and down. Dia pun ada rahsia dia kenapa dia kasih kita dengan orang.
Yalah.
Kita pun ada rahsia kita kenapa kita tak nak pergi balik dekat agama kita. Betul tak? So we have to respect one another. Tapi antara hubungan orang tua yang kita tak boleh putuskan.
Yes, correct.
You have your own religion, I have my own religion.
Alright.
The thing is you dah kasih. And then tapi you kasih pun dengan Allah punya izin. Allah cakap ini
InsyaAllah
anak dikasihkan di suratan tempat orang Muslim.
Yes, okay. So when you start off this particular journey at the age of what?
Pada kecil dah suka dah. Dah suka tengok
orang
bikin langsir. Tengok mak bikin langsir dah tolong dah. I'm more into kreatif dah. Kecil-kecil dah minat dah. Kemas ini semua. So my bidang dah condong kat situ. Things like that. I'm not into komputer ke belajar. I tak suka.
Basically
ada minat kat situ.
But when officially you start tu, atau macam mana you tahu bakat-bakat you ada tu, macam mana tu?
So I started all these things all pada dorongan kawan lah. tolong-tolong kawan wedding, I tolong-tolong siap-siapkan. Diorang kata, Danny, kenapa you tak buat? You boleh buat. So and then bila I buat, diorang kata you have expensive touch. You look expensive. Why don't you do something? So during my time 20 years ago, was very good. Tak ada no competition.
Not much competition.
Not much competition. Orang-orang lama lah semua lah. But because I study overseas, and
study overseas.
I bawa overseas punya knowledge back, tapi without lupa kita punya roots, kita punya kebudayaan. Macam bunga paha, what supposed to do during the wedding, during pernikahan, where they supposed to sit, how they all lay out all this thing. So the roots must be there. But the finishing you can be English. Because everybody wants different wedding, what?
Yeah. Sekarang ni orang semua diorang dah modern concept
Right.
Diorang want a bit of an English wedding lah.
Right. But my famous wedding selalunya meletup and keep on repeating until today, white fairy tale wedding.
Okay guys, jangan lupa fairy tale wedding is the exclusive one.
Yes. Tapi tema apa pun I tak gentar lah. The more you put me on higher trial, that's my itu yang I suka tu.
You like challenging.
I like challenging, provided they can pay lah. I tak boleh ambil challenging yang dia tak boleh bayar. Itu yang susah tu kan. Jadi tak bergerak. Macam
correct.
Ada minyak tak ada, tak boleh bergerak. Kan?
Okay, understand. So when you start off your business tentatively, what are the challenges that you face? Kira when you start off, kira you solo, you start off solo.
Yes. I don't believe in partners.
Okay.
Because, tapi rezeki Allah, I pun tak tahu duit ni datang pada mana. When I look back, how this money come from, I also don't know. Tapi I always on my own.
Okay.
I'm a wedding planner. I bukan wedding planner yang tunjuk. There is a wedding planner yang menunjuk. Okay, I want this. I mean, they go to the shop, order. I pula tidak. Whatever I can do, I do. Everything I do. Sebab itu kadang-kadang majlis dah start, I belum siap lagi. Pasal I make sure is 99% siap.
Okay.
Finishing semua I have to overlook. I tak percaya orang. Itu yang susahnya satu untuk I. Jadi I want proper done. Everything proper done.
I understand. So you actually have what do you call it? A shop or an office or
I have my
boutique.
I have. You talking about shop? I have few shop. What shop? What kind of shop you?
I don't know. Probably you can let.
I ada kedai bunga.
Oh, okay. I see.
Dekat Elias Green.
Elias Green, Pasir Ris. Oh, kedai bunga.
Kedai bunga.
Okay.
That one's main. Tapi I started my jual bunga dekat Geylang. Bulan puasa sebelah panggung Singapura, tempat yang kecil.
Bunga kembang malam.
Bukan. Time tu time bunga kembang malam tengah hot. Dia bawa tangga Geylang.
Bunga kembang malam ada sih.
So during when I started this one, orang-orang I bukan orang Geylang, tapi Geylang tu dia ada community ni sendiri tau. Dia ada orang-orang dia je. Jadi bila I masuk Geylang, I orang luar. I kawan dengan satu hamba Allah ni lah. Kata Danny, kau boleh lah buat kita tolong kau. Jadi buat dia tengok cara I lain, I punya cara lain. I punya orang tak suka curi barang, bermakna kurang-kurangkan barang.
That's why I curi barang.
Okay, faham.
Mana mesti nak lengkap, mesti nak tutup betul-betul, bersih.
Okay.
And then the price we can talk.
See.
And I know how to choose color, so the thing looks expensive. I tak panggil orang buat, I buat sendiri. So dari situ untung I.
So you make the thing look very
expensive.
Exclusive. Because actually exclusive is the one that actually drive the price of the
correct. Actually exclusive is the one who drive the item, but you don't have to be the thing. The barang tu yang you beli tak seperlunya, tak semestinya mahal. You yang buat mahal. Your hand,
ideas,
the ideas and your finishing.
You punya touches lah.
Yes.
So the touches tu.
And then kebanyakan orang cakap, orang bila jalan kat Geylang tu bulan puasa, ni kedai apa ni? Semua putih. Bunga Cina mati ke?
Is that so?
Tapi the first time when I jual kat Geylang, bunga Cina mati ni yang jadi kenyataan. 3 hari sebelum Hari Raya, bunga I habis bersih. And the profit about 30,000 in my pocket.
Alhamdulillah.
Bunga Cina mati yang jadi kenyataan. Jadi the next year, I dah tak takut dah. I jual putih. Memang my favorite is putih.
Oh.
I pun pakai putih-putih.
I see.
I see my favorite color is putih. Kita pun nanti dikembalikan pun putih.
Putih, betul.
Tapi bukan senang untuk pakai baju putih pasal dia punya tu betul-betul nak kena jaga, especially kalau kita makan makanan orang kahwin
Dah, betul. But kalau you pakai putih ni, selagi you jaga, selagi tu you akan dapat titik-titik. Selagi you don't bother, you relax aja, macam santai je, dia tak akan. The more you care, makan mie rebus akan menitik punya.
Kalau pakai baju putih, janganlah makan mie rebus.
Itulah. Tapi kerana tekan
Jangan. Mie rebus ni siap.
Tekan ni kan.
Satu kali mie sedut je kan. Semua bertanda.
Yes.
So kira kan Mas, I just nak you punya branding more kepada you punya touch, so your client really appreciate you that they are willing to
that's
play.
right. You tengok selalunya kalau I main name card, so kalau I keluarkan apa-apa, by Danny Hanafi, I selalu jual my name by Danny Hanafi. So my name ni tak reput lah. But this Danny Hanafi ni orang-orang panggil, mungkin budak-budak sekarang tak kenal I. Mak diorang kenal I.
I see.
Yes.
So do you have a IG ke? Do you have a...
As I told you, so sorry.
Don't.
I orang lama. Ada.
So kira nanti
Rizal dah bikin.
correct.
Kan dia dah jawab hello dia bikinkan.
So nanti dia punya IG you can just post kan kat bawah-bawah sini ke apa kan. So nanti correct, you heard dia his contact number semua kan, for those people who's into who got their own ideas, or maybe you want to work along with him kan, maybe you can let him know, then he can see what.
Kalau tak ada pun boleh share you punya contact number, kalau apa-apa they can contact you directly.
Yes, they can contact me directly.
Apa you punya handphone number?
My handphone number is 8907-9986.
So guys, kalau nak upload apa-apa wedding planner ke detail, dia boleh buat tailor suit to you punya taste. Tapi harga semua boleh ajak bincang, harga berpatutan, apa-apa you just buat appointment dengan dia, tak ada apa-apa obligation.
Just no obligation.
No obligation. You buat appointment dengan dia, kalau you rasa you selesa, you can move on from there lah. Kalau tak, you can just move on to the next better player.
Jangan takut lah. Pasal apa, my name is all in the market expensive. So don't worry, kita pun understand situasi sekarang kan.
Correct.
Saya rasa sekarang pun saya adjust. I'm no more a person who gila glam. Dulu glamour kan, tengah hot kan. Sekarang insyaAllah I understand, kita pun untung berpatutan.
Yes,
berdosa. Kan kalau dulu tu glam kan, lagi ada nama lagi tu kau fikir. Sekarang kata dah tua-tua ni, kata orang tu kan melo lah. Banyak kita menolong orang dirikan masjid pahala.
Masya-Allah. Betul.
Betul tak? So sekiranya sesiapa yang tengok macam Danny Hanafi ni kenal lah dia. Mak aku pernah pakai dia tapi dia mahal, tak mampu. Tak, no more.
Yes, okay guys, tak apa, tapi jangan risau-risau. Telefon je nombor yang tertera kat bawah ni. Lepas tu you buat appointment dengan dia, then from there you dah ada tu, you just make up your mind lah whether you nak proceed ataupun tidak.
Yes, no obligation lah.
Yes, dia bukan buat saja ballroom dia pun boleh tailor suit kepada yang kat luar lah.
Sekarang you were talking about void deck, right?
Okay guys, jangan takut. Kalau you tu don't worry, kita boleh buat appointment dekat dia punya showroom ataupun dia punya tempat dia lah.
Correct. You have your own showroom, right?
You're most welcome.
Dalam tu nanti
ada tak lama, baru bulan lepas ni.
Okay. Probably you can maybe you can discuss on this particular one. Lawa juga tempat ni. So maybe this one nanti you can show inside our the podcast lah, the gambar-gambar ni semua. Tema deco. Wow, this is on a landed property.
Yes. This is tempat yang I tinggal lah.
Okay guys.
Okay.
Satu orang cakap buat yang orang-orang service provider yang buat tempat diorang tinggal selalunya insya-Allah boleh dipercayai lah kan.
InsyaAllah.
So dia kira diorang buat akad nikah kat tempat your place lah.
So diorang
sekali jalan lah. So we sit down and discuss.
100 intimate wedding lah kira.
Kira can accommodate 100 people, 100 packs.
Satu kali duduk dia 100. Keluar masuk 200, 250 tak ada masalah.
Kalau keluar masuk tapi kalau 100
kalau nak duduk aja 100. Kalau nak duduk aja 100, tapi
Okay.
kalau orang yang keluar masuk 200
Yeah.
ke 250.
Tak apa, kalau yang macam dulu-dulu kan diorang selalu buat sit down capacity dia. Semua duduk serentak gitu kan. Tak boleh masuk lah.
That one kira must get a proper venue lah, yeah.
Proper venue.
Yeah, kira like a ballroom, all this
Yes,
kind of
yes.
stuff lah.
That's why I'm here today to help.
Yes, correct. Sheikh Sabri with the setup.
Yeah.
So basically, again, we are at a Paradise Ballroom at Marina Country Club at Punggol. So basically, down here they've basically made use of our host here, get our Danny for the for the setup of this particular place lah.
Okay guys, for this one ballroom, dia mungkin akan revamp at dia orang punya touch. Sheikh Sabri panggil dia untuk
Okay.
Redeco.
Redeco.
balik.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. So kira ni belum lagi lah kira This is just the beginning
This is when I come in, it's already like that.
Oh.
So I tengok tempat ni confident very good. Very kata orang bagus and it can go far. Tapi sayangnya
this currently this setup is
I feel bukan masing-masing sendirilah.
You letak
Kan depends masing-masing begitulah. To me, nowadays everybody they want to pay less but they want to see more.
Yes, correct. I think it's quite it's market lah.
Lagipun now tengah kata orang tu zaman a lot of people are not doing good, especially in jobs. So if they can get this and at a good price, I think it's very nice.
Yeah, correct.
Very good in helping.
Yes,
And then for people can forgive you, but people cannot forget you.
Yeah.
In terms of good and bad.
Yes, correct. Can forgive, but you can forget.
Orang tu dah beranak rena sampai 6-7. Dia ni yang menjahanamkan wedding aku.
Yes,
Dia ni yang bikin aku punya wedding. Ni mama dengan papa punya wedding planner. Sampai sekarang ada ayah dia jumpa hamba Allah ni dekat Mustafa. Anak dia dah 8 dah. Anak besar dia dah nak kahwin.
They still remember
They
you.
call me.
Correct.
Ni my wedding planner. The one I told you before. You see? So
Masya-Allah, tu ada good
When you do good, you will be remember for. Yes, correct.
Yes.
So I think that is the most.
Of course, this wedding, kalau I cakap you semua bikin baik, bohong. Ada jahanam juga. Ada masuk longkang juga. Ni yang true. The truth is because kita as a wedding planner, semua mak pengantin, bapa pengantin nak hire you, they want to see you there. Jadi kita seorang, there's no two Danny Hanafi. Macam mana kita nak bagi pihak?
Yes,
that's
correct,
where you learn.
So normally 1 week, sometimes you got a few places.
Dulu lah. Dulu, especially hot dates, you can cater 8.
That was the 8.
Tapi 8 tu 4 jahanam. Jahanam dia not that bad lah, tapi tak proper. Tak proper.
Because you can't be at every
because
location.
I running around kan, so my time waste on the road. Because I tak boleh kasihkan dia ni jaga. Jadi bila kita serahkan tanggungjawab kita, wedding cake tu must be in place. Dia pula tak keluarkan wedding cake sampai in time. So all this people take note.
Correct.
Because when people hire me, they know who I am, and I'm not locally trained. So when I put a price, they're willing to pay. So when they're willing to pay, bermakna kalau dia willing to bayar tu, dia minta.
Yalah, they
expect something.
Correct. That's the reason why people pay.
Correct. And kebanyakan I dah selalu, kenapa nama I boleh terus laju gitu, I selalu dapat yang mahal. Dapat yang besar-besar. I actually buat yang kecil-kecil lagi senang. They will treasure you more.
Yeah.
Yang besar-besar ni,
salah pijak je.
Habis lah. Salah besar, yang besar-besar ni risiko dia pun besar. And you don't know who are they actually. It could be bad, could be good. Kita tak boleh judge people. Semua kalau you nak tahu, you buatlah silap. Dari situ you tahu.
Janganlah ke situ kan.
Itu
Kalau boleh kalau boleh do the best we can.
Correct. Tapi tak ada orang nak menjalankan majlis lah. Sometimes it just happen.
Pasal it's very fast tu. Apa yang kita through wedding semua, I think very fast. You silap sikit, you tak atur ke apa kan, the thing can get overlap. Bila overlap semua, kalau tak jaga, tak buat rectification.
Tapi lagi sekarang, dulu tak ada social media. Tunggukan berita harian, diorang tapi dah berlalu sebulan baru keluar. Sekarang dalam ni majlis baru habis dah keluar TikTok dah.
Correct.
Dah keluar social media dah. FB
correct.
semua, jahanam ni, video semua. Betul tak? So, different market lah.
Yalah.
So, it's my passion. I dah retire dah. You kira umur berapa sekarang?
Ini soalannya. Kira nak cakap kalau you dah 50 ke belum?
I dah 65. I dah boleh retire dah.
Oh, tapi you
tinggal lagi I minat benda ni.
60.
I minat. I minat benda ni. Jadi
rambut flawless, kulit flawless.
Rezeki Allah.
Rambut dah.
Tuhan tu kaya. Dia tak nampak kalau apa kesusahan you. Dia nampakkan kecantikan you dulu.
Masya Allah.
Baba, how you maintain this kind of looks ataupun
kita wedding planner mestilah jaga penampilan important.
Masya Allah.
Seeing is believing. So if you come to my showroom, you tengok, okay, you tak ragu-ragu nak bayar deposit. Kalaupun I tipu you percaya.
Tak boleh kena gitu kan.
Because seeing is believing.
Alright. So nanti
Okay, nanti kita akan go to the next step, the next episode, which is dia akan share lagi tentang pengalaman dia on the ground, apa yang berlaku, dan dia punya pasang sekarang tadi dia punya pasang, kan dia akan share dia punya surut pula.
InsyaAllah
Okay. Dia punya tu.
Kalau di Simpang, jomlah Simbang. Di Property Shop at Simpang Bedok, depan Spice.
Jangan malu, jangan segan, masuk je.